everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this is for Beebeecraft with the items I received from them. And I will link everything down on the description below, as well as an unboxing. Now I do want to mention that they came in this case, and I know that on my unboxing I did say that there was 4 different type of rings. There are actually 6 of them, so I went ahead and separated some of them so you guys could see. This is really similar. These two are very similar almost in size, but this is a little tad smaller. Then it's that one and that one and that one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. They are awesome to work with. And then this trim, I also received this trim, and I am loving this trim, you guys. I couldn't stop using it. It is, I want to say you could use either side. Now there's a very little small difference between the flat side back here, which is the negative side, and this is the good side. So if for some reason you mess up, you can still use the side and you can't really tell the difference. So there you are. And like I said, I will link everything down on the description below. Let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So I ended up creating these cute little bows, and I just went ahead and cut these and then just put them in the middle. There you go. Did that. I did that with the teacup. I did this with flowers. I did this with this flower as well. And then I ended up creating this little cute pocket, and then it has a flower here, and then I inserted, it's the little pocket, and I inserted 2 little bows up here. And there you go. And like I said, I was just going crazy, just putting them as my middles for most of my bows. And then I also created this one right here. This one is another pocket, and isn't he cute? OMG, look at you guys. Oh, I thought that was so adorable. So anyways, I went ahead and put the trim here and put him in there, and there you go. And as well as I did the trim here with the right there. So aren't these so adorable? Oh my goodness. Anyways, so let me go ahead and show you what I created with these. This is what I ended up creating. I needed an element to make a hanging element for this little baggie, and oh yeah, just when you go on camera it starts messing up on you. I had it laying down. It looks so very different. There you go. It looks so very different when it's standing up, and it is just the cutest thing. And there you go. Let me just put these to the side so you guys could see. There you go. And then I also created one for my little bowl over here, and this is what it looks like. And then this trim right here is also from Beebeecraft. I will also link that down on the description below. And that is it from this project share. I will be coming along with another project share, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch. And as I said, I will link all the items down on the description below so you guys could go over and check out the items. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.